Let me finish. And the SIT was ordered to look into the observations of the amicus curiae, which it did, investigated it for 5 months, and came to the conclusion that all the allegations made were unsubstantial. I would also like to highlight that media reports which quote the amicus curiae report tonight have a contradiction in the quote in itself. While you say that the amicus curiae report very clearly states that the Chief Minister performed his duties to the best of his ability and stopped the riots, you want to then highlight other aspects which you know will create an outrage
there is a reason.
Start a debate.
Because Smriti,
So
you have to look at it in its entirety. Unlike you, I can't take one part in isolation. You have to look at the entire report.
No, I'm sure you can't. I tell you why you can't. Because you can't afford to be now seen upon as somebody who agrees with what the SIT says. I know the pressure of these activists times now.
I am sorry, Smriti.
Continue to badger
I am sorry,
and want
Smriti.
you to overlook the
I am
truth.
so sorry that you are. I am so sorry. I am so sorry, Smriti. You have not read the report.
I think it is necessary to point out.
I don't need your apology, Arnav. But I am saying it's a statement of fact. If you want to get into the specifics,
let's go into fact. Let's go into fact.
I'm willing to do.
Yes, and I'll tell you where you are going factually wrong. But before that, I want to go to everyone, and Tanveer Jaffrey, I want you in at this point. Tanveer Jaffrey, let's get everyone's view, and Smriti, I will come back to you because I'll go fact by fact, point by point of this report to point out where you are factually incorrect and where you're reading it selectively, not me. Smriti, I'm coming back to you on that. But before that, Tanveer Jaffrey, you're hearing the argument tonight. Do you feel that this raises questions on the SIT report? Do you feel the SIT report is final? As an aggrieved party, where do you stand?
No, as I've been telling earlier also, that SIT report is a report. That what to believe and what to disbelieve is up to the magistrate whose court this matter is being heard. There is an opinion of SIT chief and there is an opinion of amicus curiae. It is a magistrate who will take a call on that. So this is not a final report. Neither it concludes that chief minister has done nothing wrong. Let me bring one fact to your notice that this report has opened a lot of information in front of us. I came across one report, one instance where it is said that if the chief minister, even if he has said something like let the Muslims be killed on that unfaithful day of 27th evening February 2002, then he has said in a room which is in a closed room. Therefore, it does not have any meaning. It does not have any offence. This is what the SIT report says about the meeting of 27th February. Now, if that is going to be the stand of SIT, what the further report is going to be, we all know now. But what happened on the next day? There are more than 5,000 people have been killed. So you cannot disconnect what Chief Minister said on 27th February and what happened the next day. And you cannot consider that this is not an offence. These are the issues where SIT has taken a totally a very wrong view.
I'm not sure if they've taken a totally different point of view.
I feel that
have they taken a totally different point of view? Because amicus curiae says that Sanjeev Bhatt needs to be taken through the test of cross-examination. I don't know if it has taken Sanjeev Bhatt at face value like you're making it out to be. This observation of alleged observation of Narendra Modi in the meeting in his house at the height of the riots on 27th February 2002, also supported by the late Harin Pandya. Now, in that, the amicus curiae has said, allow me one second, has said Sanjeev Bhatt needs to be cross-examined. It's not taken him at face value. It's not taken him at face value.
No, but yeah, okay, cross-examined, true, but then what happened? He is a chief minister who is saying certain things in front of his top police officers, and next day you see riots. 5,000 women, children and
Smriti, coming to you. Smriti, I'm coming to you, but Kumar Ketmar, my question to you is very broadly tonight. You see this now, you see this now becoming part of a political overdrive on the eve of the Gujarat riots, anything to stop Mr. Narendra Modi.
Not becoming political, it has been political and now it is becoming more and more political, because though Smriti is keeping on saying that they did not celebrate, on your channel she and me both were there, and after the SIT report they almost declared as if he has been declared totally acquitted, and that was a campaign that was a total campaign of the BJP that Narendra Modi is virtually acquitted. And so it is not merely a question of opinions,
SIT report
observations,
changed
investigations.
since Mr. Ketkar?
It is not a question of opinions, observations, investigations, or it is prejudices. It is a simple
It's a-
fact of
it's a
court
matter of
saying
evidence, and I'm
something,
asking Mr.
court saying
Ketkar, has
something,
the
and
SIT
BJP saying
report
something.
changed?
She's
It
asking
is not
Mr.
Congress versus
Open times
BJP.
now.
One
You
sec.
were there on the channel when we said that SIT is just a report. When you said, but SIT has given a clean sheet on this very channel.
Let her respond.
No,
Yes.
I can give you a recorded copy of my interview, Mr. Ketkar. My question to you is, has the SIT report changed since we last spoke on Times Now? It has not. There are two factual inconsistencies in Mr. Jaffrey's statement tonight. While I completely understand that he's had a loss in his life, I also want to highlight that 5,000 people did not die in Gujarat, sir. 1,129 died, out of which many died due to police firing to stop mobs. Please appreciate that it's a matter
Now
of
since-
record that 5,000 people were rescued from Nurani Mosque in Ahmedabad
Now since I have-
by the Ahmedabad police. Now,
Since-
these are the
No,
facts
fine.
which are not
Then
brought
let
into
me
the
tell you
public
that
domain
you have the
deliberately
wrong information.
because it's time and
Thousands
again
of people are
proved
still
that the
appearing in the
government of
Gujarat police
Gujarat-
record that they are missing.
Sir, this
There
is
are
the-
thousands of people who are
this is
missing. The thousands of people are missing, they are still
Sir,
appearing in the
this is
report.
the exact amount which has been accepted
No, nobody has
by
the
the
exact
Supreme Court of
amount.
India,
Nobody
by
has
the
got the
government
exact
of
amount.
India,
Then-
Mr. Jaffrey. Mr.
Whatever you
Jaffrey,
say,
I'm
but
speaking
nobody
about
has got the
specifics.
exact amount. There are
I'm
thousands
speaking
of
about evidence.
FIR which are still not
I completely
registered.
understand that no matter how much of the truth is spoken by me on this panel tonight, you will disagree with me. I am not here to seek your acceptance
No,
of the
there is a
truth.
fact.
I'm here
Why
to
should I
speak the
disagree
truth.
if it is the truth?
Another fact that
It
needs to
is
be
not a fact.
highlighted
It
from
is
your
a fact is
statement,
like
Mr.
thousands of
Jaffrey.
people have killed.
Another fact that you need to answer, Mr. Jaffrey, were you in that room that night with the Chief Minister and other officers? Did you personally hear this statement? You did not. So you want prosecution
Yeah, why?
to be
There is
done
an
on the
officer.
basis
I
of
did not be
rumors and
there.
allegations.
There is an officer, intelligence officer.
All the
There is an
officers,
intelligence officer
sir,
who was there
all
and
the
said
of-
so.
Let me, sir, please read the SIT report.
Ladies
All
and
the
gentlemen, I'm
officers
coming back in.
present
Please pay some
that
attention.
meeting Said that no such
Smriti,
statement was spoken
Smriti,
by
I now have one question for this side and one question for another side.
No, forget the size, but it is a matter
There
of
are two
perception.
sides.
No, but Arnav, we have to recognize that it is a matter of perception.
I'm sorry,
It is
but I'm
merely
not.
a question of
But Mr.
opinion,
Ketkar, I'm sorry,
observation.
but you're a far more
Now
senior
it's a
and.
matter of perception and not the truth.
One second.
I'm not saying perception
Smriti,
is
allow
truth,
me.
but
Allow
you
me.
cannot ignore
Is that what
widespread.
you're saying, Mr. Ketkar?
Allow me one
That
second.
the truth should be
I am
disregarded?
Smriti,
not
one
determining
second.
truth by perception.
Can I request both of you, please? Can I request both of you with utmost sincerity, please? Here's the point. Mr. Ketkar, you are a far more
No, I
seasoned
am-
and veteran journalist than me. You know, there is no comparison there. However, I think there are two sides, A, and B, I don't want to argue on perception tonight. I want to argue on fact and reality and legality. Therefore, I have two questions on both sides. My question first to Mukul Sinha, and I'll wait for a response from Jainara and Vyas and Mr. Yatin Oza on that. There is one area, Mr. Mukul Sinha, where both the SIT and the amicus curiae agree, right? And that is point number 48. Have you read point number 48? It says that given
Sorry, Arnav, I can't hear you properly. Can
Mr. Mukul Sinha, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but there's a lot of distortion.
Okay, now I'll go
Give me
slowly.
the question again.
I'll go slowly. My question to you, Mr. Mukul Sinha, is given that both the SIT and the amicus curiae agree that Narendra Modi took all the relevant steps to control the riots in Ahmedabad, why are you still accusing him of having turned a blind eye? Both reports agree Narendra Modi took all
Because I'll
possible
tell you
steps
why.
to control the
Because-
riots in Ahmedabad, both amicus and SIT.
Because I'll tell you, if you read the evidence in the proper perspective, what the amicus curiae has done is simply adopted the conclusion of the SIT. So amicus curiae has no independent evidence to come to that conclusion. Now let us analyze this statement of SIT, because the amicus has given us nothing new about that. Now SIT, has it considered any of the evidence that the former president has presented before the Nanavati Commission.
no.
The Nanavati Commission,
Sir,
in the Nanavati Commission, the former president has given the statement. Please listen. Former president has given a statement that till the next 2 days, the military was not called for, and because
sir, I am not talking about
was not
Nanavati
called
Commission.
for by the,
I am talking about amicus curiae.
I am not talking about the.
Arnab,
Sir, I am talking-
Arnab, please try to understand this is a collection of evidence. Collection of evidence will
Sir,
give you the
but
truth.
Arnab,
If the SIT
please bear
is
me out.
purposefully not
Please bear
collecting
me
the
out.
right evidence, kindly take. No, if the SIT doesn't collect the evidence, it has no business.
Sir, I am
coming
not
to this
talking of
conclusion.
SIT.
There are more than 1,000 people dead.
Sir, I am not talking of SIT. I am simply talking of
Then
point
whom
number
are you talking? If it is
48 of the amicus curiae report, which I will now go on to read. And Jainara and Vyas is responding to you after this. It
It is
says,
the-
as far as the SIT's
Precisely,
conclusion.
that's what I was pointing out, Arnab. The SIT's conclusion has been adopted straight away by the amicus curiae, since the amicus curiae had no independent way of coming to a different.
Why do you say so?
Now you have to ask the question. Therefore,
Why
what
do you
is the
s-
Why
basis
is
of the
this
SIT's
about
own
Sanjeev Bhatt,
conclusion?
right?
Okay, Jainara and Vyas.
Now, if you forget all evidences,
well,
now if you
Arnab.
forget all other
Sir, one
evidences,
minute. Let's focus this. Let's focus this. Jainara and
it
Vyas.
was so properly controlled.
Well, Arnab,
If it was
at the
so properly
outset,
controlled, why did so many people die
Arnab,
on
at
the
the
next day?
outset, for a
Gujarat
change, I
government's
want to
response to you,
compliment
Mukul Sinha.
Mr. Mukul Sinha.
Gujarat government's response to you,
Arnab.
official response to you. Yes, sir.
Arnab,
Go on.
Arnab, at the outset, for a change, I want to compliment Mr. Mukul Sinha and congratulate him for something which miraculously has brought out of this debate. When the amicus curiae agrees with the SIT observations, he has a problem. Exactly. That he has not investigated, and therefore this is not something which, if the
I think
SIT
Mr.
has
Jainara
said
and
that
Vyas didn't hear me
Narendra
at the
Modi
beginning. I
controlled
said
riots,
that
and
I
amicus
said much
curiae
more than
agrees
that.
with it, he
I
has a
said
problem.
that the
But
reports
if
of
the
both of
amicus
them
curiae doesn't agree
are
with SIT
inadequate.
somewhere, then that is the statement on which he wants to harp upon. You know, he doesn't understand that these are the opinions given by two different bodies, and later on behest of the apex court of this country, the statement given by amicus curiae was also examined by the SIT, and the entire report now is with the concerned trial court. Now, why don't we agree with the
Mr. Jainara
situation
and Vyas
that
might inform
the fact
everybody
is that
why was the
unanimously
SIT
it has been
not
agreed
giving the
upon
report under
that the Chief
Section
Minister of
169?
Gujarat did act with due diligence and responsibility to control riots. And let me tell you, Arnab, I am telling it on record before your viewers that nowhere in this country, no riots was ever controlled by firing so many or lobbing so many tear gas shells, firing so many rounds where so many people were killed in action.
I'm pointing out inconsistencies on both
They were
sides.
brought under control within 2 to 3 days.
I'm saying tonight there are inconsistencies on both sides. Both sides. Because you know, for all the very strong arguments being put out by Yatin Oza and Smriti Irani, the fact is Mr. Oza and Smriti Irani will both have to admit tonight. I am 100% sure, please correct me if I am wrong, that your defense, which consisted largely on discrediting Sanjeev Bhatt, has been proven wrong. Would you admit that? On Sanjeev Bhatt?
I want to correct you, Arnab. I want to correct
not
you
at
and
all.
tell you that
Not
you're wrong.
Rajdeep, if I may
And why
come in.
so?
Rajdeep,
One sec,
if I may
Smriti
come
Irani,
in,
Mr.
I
Oza. Yeah,
would
Smriti.
I want
like
to correct
say
you.
something.
Take second.
Smriti Irani.
May I speak?
Rajdeep.
May I
Smriti, 1
speak?
minute. Smriti,
Rajdeep,
1
I
minute.
would like
Smriti,
to
1 minute.
correct
1 minute.
you. I'd like
Smriti
to
Irani,
comment.
1 minute. Smriti, yes, Smriti.